Hello everyone. This video is for the scholars and the students on how to log into your student panel. If you are a student of Ghaziabad chapter, then you should visit the ICAS Ghaziabad website, icasghaziabad.weebly.com. Otherwise, you can also visit the Council's Central Indian website, icasindia.org. From there, you can use the login options, log in to your student panel. Username is generally your mobile number that you have registered while filing for your LM application. You should use your password to log into your panel. In your panel, you will find all your options related to your membership applications, the course that you are undergoing. You can also use this panel to apply for examinations, other courses, exams. You can check your exam schedule and course syllabus here. There are different various other options also, like you can check your titles, your recent results, your ID. Various other options can be used for different purposes on this panel. Thank you.